Hey designers, in this video, we're going to create a poster in Adobe Illustrator. Let's dive in. First, take the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle the size of your artboard. This will be our background. Then, remove the stroke and give it a red fill. We'll apply a gradient to it, so go to Windows and find Gradient, or use the shortcut key Ctrl plus F9 to open the gradient panel. Drop this red color here and remove the black one. Now, between the white and red colors, click to add a midpoint and remove the white color. Adjust the position of it. I think it has gone to a tint of red that's too light. So, between the red and this color, we'll click to add another midpoint of red and delete the one we made previously. Adjust the position of it. I think it has gone to orange, so let's change this color and apply one of our own. I'll paste the color code here. OK. Perfect. Now, click here to make this gradient radial and remove the previous one. Now, take the pen tool and use it to draw a shape like the one shown on the screen. Give it a white color and decrease its opacity to 11%. Next, go to Effect, Style, Outer Glow, set the mode to normal, opacity to 100%, and color to black. OK, now let's place some elements here. Go to File, Place and select the ice cream PNG. Scale it down and adjust its position. Let's adjust the shape we made earlier to make it look like the ice cream is resting on the floor, not the wall. Now, go to File, Place again and add the other elements, the strawberries and leaves. Place them one by one, scaling them down as needed. OK, now move this leaf to the left bottom and adjust its position. I'll rotate it a bit and place it like this. Next, take the strawberry image, scale it down, rotate it, and place it on the left side as well. Make a duplicate of this strawberry image and place it on top, rotate it, adjust the scale, and position it here. Now, take this strawberry, scale it down, and position it like this. Make a duplicate of this leaf layer. Now, rotate it and place it in the top right corner. Once you're satisfied with the placement, select all the elements, including the ice cream, and press Ctrl plus G to group them. Then, go to Object, Lock Selection to lock them in place. We don't want them to move around while we add text and make other adjustments. Now, take the text tool and write your text here. Scale it up and choose a suitable font. I'll search for the Niraj font. Adjust the text to all lowercase letters. OK, now center align the text and decrease the spacing between the paragraphs by going to character and adjusting the spacing. Finally, give the text a white color. Now, scale up the text. Go to Object and expand it. By expanding, the text will convert into a shape. OK, now take the free transform tool and change the perspective of this text layer like this. Adjust its position. Next, take the text tool again and write another text here, strawberry ice cream. Let's move ice cream on the second line. Increase the size of this text layer and make the color of this text white. Let's decrease the spacing between this text as well and adjust its position. Then, take the text tool again and write a brief description of this strawberry ice cream here. Adjust the paragraph spacing and text, and then highlight it. I'll give it the Arial font and increase the size as required. Decrease the spacing between the text and give it a white color. Now, press Ctrl+0 to see the canvas in full screen and view the trimmed version of our poster. Select the Trim View option to see our final poster design. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs.